Hey, Mover and Shaker here. I am coming to you today to talk about a Waterpik. I don't know how many of you out there have one, but if you haven't had one, that's really who I'm interested in talking to. Those people who thought about it, wondered about it, never did get one. Well, I was the same way and wish I'd had one decades ago. Because not only does it keep your teeth ultra clean, but the whole experience is kind of invigorating, makes you feel good about yourself. And not only that, but it's something that you should do to save yourself money on dental bills. Because no dental floss can do what a Waterpik can. So stand by and I'm going to show you what comes with the Waterpik. This is the 3 settings that the Waterpik toothbrush has. It has clean, whiten, and massage. And I'll let you hear those. You turn the power on, and this is the clean setting. The whiten setting and the massage setting has a little bit of vibration going on to it. And that's where you turn it off. So normally you would just take your toothbrush here. It has a tongue scrubber on the back too, I forgot to tell you that. And you just hook it up. And as you can see, it's cleaning. This is the whiten mode and the massage mode. And down here it shows you your charge. And usually I keep mine plugged in. I probably shouldn't, but it stays charged all the time. These are the other accessories that came with it. I think I might have one that is not included in this group here. But this is my favorite. It has a little brush on the end of it. It has 3 little brushes, and it's the one that I use most often. I don't know why. I think it's kind of cool for the water to be coming through it and at the same time have a little brush at the same time to kind of polish. And this particular tip, I haven't used it, but I believe since it's got this little hole in it that it's probably a precision type tip to get into really small places. And then this is kind of similar. My husband uses these on a regular basis. It's kind of like that, but I guess not as small as far as the tip goes. But these are all designed obviously to get inside the little cracks and crevices. But the Waterpik itself, when it's running, it does the job. It gets in between almost all the surfaces and underneath and around and the tops, and it actually polishes your teeth, and you can definitely feel the difference after you use it. So I'm going to show you how to hook it up. We'll just take my favorite tip here. You put it in and it locks, and then you kind of turn it the direction. And I forgot to tell you, this is how you release it too when you're done. So turn the Waterpik around. This is the amount of water stream that you'll be getting from 0 to 10. I usually keep mine only on 2. That's all I need. But if you really were getting used to using it better and you like it, you can put the speed up, and I'll show you that. So this is how you turn it on. You turn that on first, and then as you can see, you want to have this tip in your mouth before you start running it, because this is actually how powerful it is. You can turn it all the way down low, that's 0, and you can turn it up to 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, and as you can see, you can adjust it if it's too much. And then that's how you turn your pump off. And if you, like I said, you want to change tips maybe in the middle of your cleaning, you just change your tips. Come over here. Of course, you want this to be in your mouth before you turn it on, or you'll have a complete mess. Okay, as you can see, the cord comes out. It's quite flexible. And so if you're leaning over your sink, you're going to have enough room to maneuver around your mouth and not pull this thing off of the cabinet. So it just goes right back in here when you're done. And let me unlock this and put this aside. And as you can see, we ran the water a little bit, and as you can see, the level is going down. What we like to do when we're done using it is pour the water out, and we usually just put it upside down on a paper towel on the kitchen cabinet or on the bathroom cabinet. Overall, I really want to recommend this product because, like, say you're eating popcorn one night, you just can't get all those popcorn kernels out of your mouth after you eat popcorn and try to brush your teeth. It just doesn't happen. With the Waterpik, it's going to get everything out of your mouth. And not only that, but I heard from my dentist that the Waterpik is good to make your gums healthier. So if you had any kind of gum problems, whether it be gingivitis, or your gums are receding, or your gums have been irritated, or you just have gums that aren't healthy, period, this is supposedly how you get them back in a healthy, because you're rinsing them and washing them on a regular basis. So overall, this is everything you get for your investment. The Waterpik itself you can find on Amazon, and I will post a link below if I can do that, because I'm a fairly new YouTuber and I'm not monetized. But I will certainly try to provide the link. There's other stores that offer this Waterpik. I've seen Waterpiks in Sam's Club. I've seen them at Bed Bath & Beyond, Target. So there's many places you can buy this Waterpik. They range from anywhere from $79 to $99, but please let me stress to you that it's a good investment. You won't be sorry you got it, because you will have the freshest breath and the cleanest teeth you've ever had. You know, I would just stop wasting your money on all those products out there that claim that they whiten your teeth, and they really don't. Instead, invest your money into a Waterpik, and this Waterpik's going to keep your teeth as clean as possible. And you know, like I said, you get all these items with it, and if you don't like it, return it, but I don't think you will. And that concludes my video on the Waterpik.